Beautiful walls start with Country Chic Paint wall paint. Backed by 90 years of paint expertise, our paint is designed for smooth application, beautiful colour, and long-lasting durability. Follow along as we walk you through the process step by step. First, prep your space. Protect the floors and furniture with drop cloths. Remove outlet covers and tape off trim, ceilings, windows, and baseboards for clean, crisp lines. Next, prep your walls. Make sure the surface is clean, dry, and free from dust, grease, or loose paint. Fill any holes or imperfections and sand patched areas smooth. For new drywall or porous surfaces, apply a high-quality primer first. Before you begin, stir the paint thoroughly for an even finish. This might take a few minutes. Now it's time to cut in. Use a high-quality synthetic brush. Paint around trim, corners, ceilings, outlets, and edges so your roller can't easily reach. Work in small sections to help the brushed and rolled areas blend together smoothly. It's important to keep a wet edge. Next, roll on the paint using a microfiber roller with at least a 3/8 inch nap. Load the roller evenly and remove excess paint before applying. Start at the top of the wall and work downward in even sections using consistent pressure. Maintain a wet edge as you go to help avoid streaks or patchiness. Once the first coat is painted on, allow it to dry approximately 4 hours before applying your second coat for rich, even coverage and a durable finish. Carefully remove painter's tape once you've finished painting your second coat. Wash your paintbrushes with warm soapy water immediately after use. Seal leftover paint tightly and store it in a cool, dry place for future touch-ups. And that's it! A beautifully refreshed space made simple with Country Chic wall paint. Visit our website for more tutorials, inspiration, and DIY ideas for your next project.